again, take two. The first attempt to stream this morning didn't work. The question is, should we be buying Bitcoin, XRP, and the markets in general, as we are now, or appears to be on sale at a bit of a discount? What do you think? Is it time to buy? Well, we have to ask ourselves, and by the way, good morning to you all. Welcome to the brief walk and talk. Just getting ready for season 5 to start, so I'm getting my morning exercise. Welcome everybody to the show. Hope you're all well. We're having some technical issues on YouTube at the moment. Things aren't always working as they should do, so I'm not even sure that you're seeing me, but hopefully you are. Good morning, Amia. Hello, how are you? Good morning to you all. Good morning to you all. So the question everyone's asking is, are you buying crypto right now? Bitcoin, XRP, the general markets, individual stocks? Well, let me and whether you agree or not, you let me know in the chat. I'll try and answer your comments. It's only a brief chat, as I'm just doing my morning walk, getting set for season 5, which is just around the corner. So things are slightly different at the moment. So at the moment, we're seeing Bitcoin falling to 89,000. Very possible to drop to 50,000. We're seeing at the same time as the bulls are saying it can go to 150,000, 200,000 by the end of the year, just in 6 weeks' time. So basically doubling its market cap in 1 month. Think about that. Think of that on any other level, what that really means. XRP preparing to go below $2, maybe even go as low as $1, as Sensei has also suggested is highly possible. We don't know, of course, nobody does. Very recently, I bought in. I've been in and out of crypto very quickly, taking profit because I predicted this for ages. I suggested that I'd be in and out doing tax lots on the S&P, which is what I've done. My portfolio is at an all-time high at the moment. I've got no margin. I never short the market. Everything's looking great. I've lowered my average. I've got money to buy a bigger dip. Should we get a bigger dip? My portfolio is in a perfect state at the moment. So the question is, should I be buying more Bitcoin, or should I start buying back into it again now with a long position rather than a trading position? Now, to answer that question, we have to ask ourselves, why would we want to? What is the point? Now, I was talking to some major investors yesterday, and they had a similar view to Warren Buffett. If I gave you a Bitcoin today, what would you do with it? Well, I've tried using it for payments. It doesn't work. Too expensive, too slow. XRP is far better, or just use a bank transfer app, which I do all the time. When I pay Sensei and Vaz their wages, I do that. It's instant, it's free, it's perfect. I send money across the world doing that. So I don't have a use case for it. So certainly not Bitcoin. So what am I going to do with it? I can't use it. People say it's a store of digital capital. It sounds great, but what does that actually mean? Well, it's no difference than buying the Mona Lisa, buying a painting, hoping one day somebody will want to buy it off you. The difference between the Mona Lisa and Bitcoin, however, is play it, look at it, use it. We can't look at it and you can't use Bitcoin, right? So it just serves the purpose of holding it to borrow against as collateral, if that's what you want, or to try to sell it to somebody else, which scares me, because at what point does everyone start selling it? Well, we've seen what's happening over the last few days. Everyone's been selling it, exactly like I said they would. It doesn't give me any pleasure, by the way, to be right on these things. I would rather everybody keep making money, but remember, to make money, somebody has to lose money. People are making money now, even though people are losing money. It's always the same. Anyway, so what would you do with it? What is the purpose of it? Now, I've had a few moments where emotionally and if you're humanly, which is never good, I thought I wouldn't mind buying a whole Bitcoin.